today we have something that'll blow your mind. I mean something that you've never really seen or heard before. You remember growing up and all you ever wanted to become was a doctor or an astronaut or some cool-ass profession? Wow. Now, the sad truth and reality of life is that being a doctor will never get you a $400 million yacht, but being a Saudi prince can get you one. I know what is playing in your head. How was he able to get it? How much does a Saudi prince earn? Join us as we show you how this Saudi prince was able to buy this $400 million yacht overnight.